We will see how to add indicators in TradingView. Find, add and customize indicators. So to do, you can firstly open your chart, which one you want. Then after simple click on the indicator icon in the top navigation bar. Once you tap on it, here is the indicator page open. Now here you can add your indicator, which one you want. Like I am adding EMA, means moving average exponential, and then it will add here. You will see on your left side of your page. Now to customize it, you can click on the setting icon, okay, here, and now here you can select the input like length, the style and the visibility. Okay, in input you will see here also many options like source, offset, type, length. Okay, in style you will find here EMA color. So if I change the color to the, okay, so a unique color, so I am choosing purple. Okay, so now here you will see the my line color will be changed to purple. Once I set it to yellow, it will also change it to yellow. Same as in visibility, you can also here change the visibility and then tap on OK. So now you will learn how to find, how to add and how to customize it. Also you can hide and enable it, set, change the setting and delete it. Okay, goodbye.